Beans, beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you get the idea. Today we're making a simple frijoles recipe that has none of the 12 bad foods in it. Coming up. Hey, howdy folks, Raquel Castillo-Olsey here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And on this channel, we do product reviews, health tips, and tasty recipes just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new informative videos. Let's get to cooking. So this is a simple frijoles or pinto beans recipe that has a similar taste and texture to refried beans that I got from my cousin. Now, unlike refried beans, which many recipes call for using oil to refry them, this recipe has none of the inflammatory or carcinogenic ingredients. Here's what you're going to need. 1 pound of pinto beans, 10 ounces or 8 strips of uncured or nitrate free bacon, salt, and of course water. First, we remove any debris like rocks or stems or weird looking beans. Then we wash them really well. Next, you're going to take approximately 8 strips of the nitrate free bacon and cut them into thirds. While you're preparing the beans and the bacon, bring a large pot of water to a boil and add salt. Once the water is boiling, add the beans and the bacon together. Now, originally, this recipe calls for using a salt pork to add to the beans. The problem, however, is that most commercial salt porks are cured with sodium nitrite. Remember, sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate, when heated, create a chemical called nitrosamine, which is carcinogenic. And we want to avoid that at all costs. And besides, a salt pork is just a huge piece of bacon anyway. Next, you're going to cook the beans on medium heat for 3 hours. Skim out any impurities along the way. Check the beans frequently. Stir and add water if needed. Also, adjust the heat if necessary. The water should be a medium simmer. After 3 hours, we lower the heat to a low simmer, again for 3 hours. Test for salt and water level. Stir and keep watch. After a total of 6 hours, stir one last time and then remove from heat. When they are done, you should have this texture similar to refried beans, and they taste just as delicious. Question of the day. How do you prepare your pinto beans and what other ingredients do you use? I would love to hear from you in the comments section below. And remember, some of the best tips and recommendations come from you, those in the Happy Healthy community. So definitely connect with everyone in the comments. So thanks for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward, and we'll talk soon.